Hey guys, we're in the basement in South Philly right now. We decided last minute that we're gonna add a bathroom down here, back here in this section right here. So before we went ahead and poured the concrete slab, well, it's the perfect time to do the rough-in for the bathroom. So if you work with me here, I'll kind of just like give you a quick walkthrough of everything we got. We got my guy back here trenching out the dirt. So right here we got a 24-inch vanity. Then we gotta make sure we have proper spacing between the vanity and the toilet. So I'm doing 18. I think code requires for 15, but I just want to be extra. So I got 18 right here, and obviously also proper spacing between my tub and between my toilet and my tub. We decided to go with the left drain tub here. So my drain is gonna be right here. I'm gonna trench it out too. Altogether, I think this is about 7 feet wide, but obviously the tub is 30 by 60, so which works out perfectly because I'm gonna have a 2x4 wall right here to separate out between the bathroom and my pit right here. So I got a sub pump and an ejector pump right here, so it's gonna be all closed off. But we're gonna have a door to access that from here from the bathroom. So I just picked up my ejector pump pit from Home Depot this morning, and we got the guys trenching out. So stay tuned, and we'll show you what this looks like when we're done. All right. So we're done trenching out right here. Wanted to give you guys an update of where we are. So we got a 3-inch stack, horizontal stack, going obviously all the way to the pit. This is for the vanity, right? So we got a 3x3x2 Y going to a vanity. So this is a 2-inch pipe that we're gonna also do a wet vent. So it's gonna have a vent, and it's also gonna serve as the drain for the vanity. Here we have this is where the toilet is gonna be. So we have a 3x3x3 Y. Horizontal to horizontal connections, you gotta make sure these fittings are, you can't use any sanitary tees or nothing like that. It has to be a Y. So we got that going this way, and then we have the toilet right here. And then here we got a 3x3x2 Y with a P-trap for the shower drain. Right, so you got that P-trap is important. Nothing is glued as of yet, so we struggle a little bit to get the angles and the cutting just right, but just wanted to make sure we had the markup and everything laid out perfectly before we started gluing. The only piece that's missing right here is tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a 2x2x2 Y, so we could vent out this shower. Now that vent is gonna serve as a wet vent for the toilet as well. So we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna have to trench out and then go up so we could vent. Now this vent and the ejector pump vent is all gonna tie together and go out the house. So, yeah, we're wrapping up today, and then tomorrow we'll be back to finish all off. All right, guys, we're back. We came back to finish off the basement bathroom rough-in that we started yesterday. We got everything cut, primed, and glued now. So, if we made any mistakes, it's now too late. But we did a pretty good job of just double checking everything before we primed and glued. So I remember this is the vanity right here. We had to extend it because we're gonna have a 2x4 wall that separates this wall right here, and we want the vent, when we take this off, we want the vent to be behind the wall, not in front of it. So that's why we had to push this back. This is our toilet, right? So we got a 90 and a 3x3x3 Y for the toilet, and then this is our bath. This is our tub right here. Now yesterday we thought about maybe we're gonna vent this off with a 2x2x2 Y from here, but we talked to a plumber friend of ours. He said, no, it's actually going to be vented from here in the vanity, and obviously from here in the pit. So he said that would be an overkill. So we're like, okay, well, that makes it even better. So today we just came back, cut everything and prime and glue everything. Keep in mind where we have every fitting marked off with the marker. So that's because we want, once we glue it, we want everything to be aligned, right? So it has to be at a perfect angle. If not, it's gonna throw off the whole system. So that's a little trick that he gave us yesterday. But yeah, we all done now. In total, I think this took us about, what, 8 hours? So it's not bad for a little bathroom job. All right, cool.